Hi everyone, it's Sue. Can you keep a secret? No, I mean really, like you can't tell anyone. You promise? So what happens on YouTube stays on YouTube, right? Right? We're good? Okay. Tomorrow is my hubby's birthday and I'm making him a very special birthday card. It's pretty exciting, isn't it? But wait a minute. So his birthday is tomorrow, which is Tuesday, because today is Monday, the day that I film, so that you guys can watch it on Wednesday. So that means on Wednesday, which is today for you guys, his birthday was yesterday, so he's already seen the card, unless you're in Australia, and then it's like 2 weeks from Thursday. But in reality, he's already seen the card, and it's not really much of a surprise, is it? Yeah, anyway, awkward. So good talk, but you really want to see how I made the card though, don't you? You want to see how it turned out? Oh, come on, you know you want to. You want to see how I made this really cute surprise birthday card for my hubby? Let's get started. So you know me, I like to make homemade cards, and I like interactive ones even better. So I thought I would make something I haven't made before, a shutter card. So I started with a piece of cardstock and cut it 22 centimeters by 14 centimeters. Then I used my scoring board to score 5.5 centimeters in from either end on the long side. Now don't worry, I will have all of these written measurements down in the description box below if you decide you'd like to make one. But basically I am scoring it so that when you fold the two pieces in, they will meet in the middle to make a standard gatefold card. Next I took some pretty, masculine, because it's for my hubby, paper and decided to cut some smaller rectangles just to cover up the front two panels. So I cut them just a little bit smaller than the two rectangles at the front so there'd be a bit of border, and then use my glue stick to affix them. Next I took this pretty teal cardstock and cut two rectangles, each one 9 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. Then again on the long side, I scored 1 centimeter in from one end of each rectangle. this area would act as a tab to fold over to attach the mechanism to the base of the card. Now with the base of the card open and ready to go, I take each one of my teal rectangles and measure down about halfway and find the middle, and then join it to the corner of the bottoms just to create a triangle to cut out to make two sort of flag areas for the mechanism. So now you want to put the edge of the left hand mechanism piece right up against the crease of the card. Then you want to put some glue on the little tab, fold it over so that the one piece of mechanism sticks to the inside of the card. Then you want to repeat with the other side. Next, I took this light green cardstock and cut a rectangle 16 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Then I cut a circle near the top of the rectangle. Now you could use a punch if you have them. I just freehand drew a circle on there. And it's about 6 centimeters in diameter, the circle. Once this piece was cut out, I scored 1 centimeter in on each of the short ends of the rectangle to make another tab. Then use your bone folder to make some sharp creases on either end. So as you can see, this part fits over the opening of the shutter so that it keeps the mechanism in place. So I had this two-sided paper, so the opposite side to the stripe that I was using is this yellow floral. So I thought that would be kind of nice to complement. So I covered up the aperture part of the shutter. So before I put that last piece in place, I wanted to put a little secret message in the shutter. So I looked through my stamp collection and found a cute little stamp that said, "Hope all of your wishes come true." So I stamped that in the middle so that when you open up the card, the secret message will be revealed. So next I glued the little tabs on the back to the card so that it would cover up the shutter mechanism, and then I proceeded to decorate my card. So my hubby is a big football fan, so I decided to put some football themed stickers on the card and put some other decorations on it as well. So let me know in the comments below whether or not you like my shutter card, and if there's any other interactive cards you'd like to see me demonstrate in the future. So take care and see you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.